Hey everybody, Ty here. Hope everyone is doing well, and hopefully everyone is watching the weather. If you are over here towards the Mississippi Delta today, over towards Dixie Alley, it looks like we could have one of those red letter days today. Based off the model guidance that I've seen, it is very possible that we could end up having a severe weather and tornado outbreak today. So let's make sure that we are staying up to speed on any changing weather conditions if you live in the deep south over the course of really the next couple of days. There's also a slight risk for tomorrow, but we'll focus on the day. By the time you see this video, even I might already be doing live coverage, so make sure you are staying weather aware and being prepared for rapidly changing conditions. There's a very good chance that we'll see them today. Till then, take care and have an awesome rest of your day. Stay safe.